I wanted a collection that would represent each one of our clients very individually. My name is Candice, VP of Public Relations at EMCHI. Today I'm excited to share with you our newest collection featuring 12 new colors. So I decided that we were going to do an astrological kit. Each of the colors represent a birthstone or your sign personally. I want to show you the 12 new colors in our kit, starting with my sign, Libra. I first got the idea for the astrology kit when I was going through my CoStar app. I found out that my sun is a Libra. So a Libra is just balanced, fair people, and I feel like that represents me because I would like to find equality in all people. So your moon sign is how you would be if no one else was on the planet and you were just by yourself. So alone, I'm a Scorpio. So when it comes to the Scorpio, I'm very perceptive of how other people move and walk, and that's just me as a water sign as well. Libra is one of my favorite colors in the collection because it gives me a very big Titanic, heart of the ocean type of feel. The sapphire and the color just really brings out how amazing Libras really are. The Pisces color is an earthy green color, which reminds me of how compassionate, artistic, intuitive, and gentle and wise Pisces really are. Scorpio is a scarlet rusty red color, which represents the planets that align with Scorpio, which is Pluto and Mars. Cancer is a glittery white color, which represents the moon and also represents for the people that are loyal, emotional, and sympathetic to us. Capricorn's cool toned dark gray colors represent the responsibility, self-control, and discipline from a Capricorn. Sagittarius is a great violet color, which represents the generosity and idealisticness of a Sagittarius. Gemini is a very beautiful white glittery color, and just like Geminis, the color is very adaptable and outgoing, which means you can use it in any situation. Aries is a bright fiery red color, which represents the element of Aries. In a fire element, each character is courageous, determined, confident, and very passionate about their dreams. Taurus is a fixed sign, which color is green. Its element is earth, which means that it's very appealing and a down-to-earth person. This color represents reliability and devotion. Aquarius is a light blue silver glittery color. The element for Aquarius is air, which represents that every Aquarius will go with the flow no matter what situation. The Leo is a gold fixed color, which depicts the idea that all Leos are creative, passionate, and warm-hearted people. The Virgo zodiac sign represents its element and is symbolic towards loyal, analytical, kind, hardworking people. So when it comes to EMCHI products, I believe that our products are the best because when it comes to doing our nails, they don't chip, they don't crack or peel. They usually last about 2 to 4 weeks and are odor free. You can find all these colors and a lot more on the website at EMCHINailProducts.com. Don't forget to like us on Instagram and follow us on Facebook, and don't forget, everything comes with a dip of perfection.